What if I told you that you could make an extra $500 in the next 30 days using nothing but free AI tools? No special skills, no upfront investment, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just a realistic plan that actually works. I tested this myself, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what I did step by step. Let's get into it. First, let me be clear about something. This isn't passive income. This isn't a side hustle that runs itself, and you're going to have to put in work. But here's the difference. I does the hard part for you. The research, the writing, the design, the repetitive tasks that normally take hours. All you have to do is show up and execute. So here's how I made $500 in 30 days. Step 1, I picked a service I could sell immediately. I didn't try to build a course. I didn't try to grow a social media following. I picked something simple that people pay for right now, freelance writing, specifically blog posts and website copy for small businesses. Why? Because every business needs content, and most business owners hate writing. Here's where AI came in. I used ChatGPT to help me write sample blog posts in under 20 minutes. I asked it, write a 500-word blog post about the benefits of email marketing for small business owners. Make it conversational and beginner-friendly. Boom. Done. I edited it, made it sound more human, and now I had a portfolio piece. Step 2, I found clients on Upwork and Fiverr. I created a simple profile that said, I write clear, engaging blog posts for small businesses, fast turnaround, no fluff. Then I applied to 10 jobs a day. Most didn't respond. That's normal. But out of 10 applications, I'd get 1 or 2 replies, and out of those replies, I'd land 1 job. My first gig, a $50 blog post, took me an hour with AI's help. Second gig, $75 for website copy. I kept going. Step 3, I used AI to speed up everything. Every time I got a new project, I'd use ChatGPT to generate the first draft. Then I'd spend 20 to 30 minutes editing it, adding personality, and making sure it actually sounded good. Total time per project, about an hour. Pay per project, $50 to $100. Do the math. That's $50 to $100 an hour. In 30 days, I completed 7 projects. That's $525. Not life-changing money, but it's real and it's repeatable. Now, here's the part most people mess up. They try this for 3 days, don't see results, and quit. Or they apply to 2 jobs, get rejected, and give up. Here's what I learned. Consistency is everything. If you apply to 10 jobs a day for 30 days, you will get clients. If you deliver good work, those clients will come back. And if you keep showing up, you'll make way more than $500 in month 2. So let me give you the exact prompts I used. Prompt 1. Write a 500-word blog post about topic for small business owners. Make it conversational and actionable. Prompt 2. I'm writing website copy for a type of business. Give me 3 headline options and a short intro paragraph. Prompt 3. Rewrite this paragraph to sound more professional, but still friendly. Paste your text. These 3 prompts alone saved me hours of work. Here's the reality. I won't do the work for you, but it will make the work way faster. And if you're willing to show up every day for 30 days, you can absolutely make $500. No degree, no experience, just effort and consistency. If you want to try this yourself, start today. Pick a skill, find clients, use AI to speed it up, and if this video helped, subscribe to Smart Money AI, because next week I'm breaking down the best AI side hustles for 2026, ranked by how much you can actually make. No fluff, just real numbers. See you there.